If you're experiencing issues with payments not going through on Revolut, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent transactions from processing. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Verify payment details. Double-check the payment details you entered, including the recipient's information and the amount. Ensure there are no typos or errors that could cause the payment to fail. Step 3. Review account balance. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Check for app updates. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Revolut app. Outdated versions may have bugs or issues that could affect payment processing. Update the app through your device's app store if needed. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Revolut's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and help resolve any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with payments not going through on Revolut. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.